all, welcome to eLessons. Today beta we are starting a chapter number 6, numbers and data, working with values. Okay, basically this chapter is about Microsoft Excel, in which we will make our tables. Okay, we will learn how to enter a data into Excel and what is an Excel sheet. Okay, so we will start our chapter with the sight words: auto sums, cell reference, spreadsheet formula, percentage, pie, and segments. Okay, autosum is basically is a formula. It's a built-in function in Excel, which automatically it provides us the sum of the data which we have selected. Okay, and the selected data is called the range. Okay, we will select the data according to the range B1 to B8, D5 to D8, like this. Okay, bar chart. Bar chart is a type of the graph that lets you compare the numbers. Okay, the height of the bar chart represent the size of the value. Okay, the higher the value, the highest the height of the bar chart. Okay, cell is formed by crossing intersection of rows and column. Okay, each cell in the spreadsheet has a name. Okay, it's called a cell reference. Spreadsheet is a grid of the columns and row, like this is a spreadsheet. It contains rows and column. Okay, percentage, a way of expressing a fractional value as number out of 100. Okay, pie chart, it's also type of chart in which we display the data in form of a pie. Okay, a segment, a slice of a pie chart may be called a segment. We divided that pie into small segments. Okay, and in every segment represent a data. Okay, now it's now use second semester. It is the first assignment of the second semester. Okay, so uh, topics to be covered: numbers, values, and labels. Okay, and some functions. Okay, and spreadsheet formula. The function we will work and cover in it is the sum function. Okay, addition. Number, values, and label. Spreadsheet is a grid of columns and rows. Intersections of rows and columns is called a cell. Cell reference is the name of a letter and the row number. Okay, cell. It is made up of the column. Values. Basically, values are the numbers and the calculation which is used, which are displayed on the right of the cell, and which tell us about the values of the labels. Okay, labels are all the content. Other content, usually words. Labels are displayed on the left of the cell. Okay, like in this way, how to put data into a spreadsheet: we will first click on a cell, take a type the label and press the enter. This is the label. Okay, first, last name, email, city, country. Okay, and this is the look of the Excel sheet. Okay, it is the grids. Okay, intersection of rows and column. Okay, in this we will enter the data. Okay, values, we have covered already that what are the values, what are the labels. Okay, if we want to make our spreadsheet look better, like if we have a large number of data and the columns are smaller, what we will do: when click and drag the line between the columns A. Okay, here column B to make the column wider. Okay, our cursor will be changed into this style, into this shape. Okay, when you move the mouse pointer to the line between the column A and B, it will change to its shape. Okay, here is the lines between A and B. Okay, we will place our cursor here. Okay, then we will, the shape of the cursor will be changed, then we will spread it, then we will make it wider. Okay, use text formatting tool to format the cell. Make the heading larger and bolder than the other labels. There are numbers of the formatting tools here available. We can change the color, we can bold it. Okay, we can increase the size. Okay, according to our requirement. Now your activity number 1 is create a spreadsheet with the list of the job from your survey, the survey which we have conducted in chapter number 2. Okay, these are your labels. In the next column, next enter the numbers of the students who choose each job. These are your values. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the values. Doctor, engineers. Okay, archaeologist, psychologist, these are the professions, types of job. Use the text formatting tool to make the spreadsheet look better. Now it's up to you how you can make your worksheet much better. Okay, now you have to use the border and fill color. It's an extra challenge. You can also apply the borders to your table. You can fill the table, okay, with the help of the paint bucket. Okay, select the range and cell and use the control in the font area of the menu ribbon. What You can also add the different borders. Okay, different color different formatting like bullets, numbering. Okay, here now it's up to you how you can make your sheet look much better. Okay. Okay, now come to the 6.2, the sum function. Okay, the sum function, what is a spreadsheet study about the basically auto sum, okay, in which we will add the numbers. Okay, first we will enter the numbers in the table. Okay, then add the label total. This is the label total. Then what we will do, we can enter the values here. Okay, then we will press this auto sum button and we will get the values in the total. Okay, and we can see in formula where the range of the cell we have selected. Okay, so it is very easy to see which formula is applying on the label total. Okay, right now we are applying the auto sum sigma. Okay, first what you do is first add the label total, then click on the cell where you want to the total to be appear, then click auto sum button. Okay, the application will add together all the numbers in this cell. Okay, here we want our number. Okay, so in this way we can display the numbers. Okay, now if we want to change the numbers, if we want to select the range, we can easily select it with the help of the cursor. Okay, here is the spreadsheet function name. If we press enter, the total number will be appear here. Okay, in this change the format of this cell, make them stand down, we have used red text. Okay, if you want to make it a attractive one, if you want to make it a little bit different that everyone know this is a total, we can change the font color. Okay, with the help of the font colors toolbar. Okay, which is available on the excel ribbon. Okay, now activity number 2 is use the sum function to calculate the total values for your spreadsheet. Print the spreadsheet and you have to save your work. Okay, use the sum function to calculate. First you have to enter, make a table in the spreadsheet class survey and write the first question, the answer, numbers of students, response, their response, enter their numbers and then the total ones. Okay, apply the sum. In this way we can easily find the sum. Okay, the sum function, what is the spreadsheet function? This is the name box, this is the cancel, enter, insert function and formula bar. Okay, these are the things in which we are including in the excel sheet. Okay, these are the columns and these are the rows. Okay, sum a1 a3 means the range of the cell is a1 to a3. All the numbers between a1 and 3 will be added. The sum function is equal to, and there is an option of option file maths. Okay, then in maths there are numbers of the different formulas, round up. Okay, sine, sum. Okay, sum, if there are numbers of sheets we can easily apply, numbers of formulas, sorry, we can easily apply with the help of the formulas. Okay, option. Now 6.3 spreadsheet formula. What is percentage? As we know, we have to express something in amounts. In out of, we express the percentage fraction as then amount out of. Okay, now we can divide the values by the total. What is the spreadsheet formula? Spreadsheet beta area calculation. Every spreadsheet formula begin with an equal to sign. This is an equal to sign. And okay, how to make a spreadsheet formula? Start with the number of students who want to be a doctor, divide by total number of students in the class survey. Okay, first you have to conduct the survey about who want to become a doctor, who want to become an engineer. Then you have to make a percentage that we have, let's say 10 students or 5 students, and 3 said I want to become a doctor. Okay, so it's mean that 3 student out of 5 want to become a doctor. Okay, we will express the percentage. 0% 0 out of 100. 50 means 50 out of 100. Okay, the percentage was show a function as an amount of 100. What is spreadsheet formula? Spreadsheet formula makes the computer carry out a calculation. Every spreadsheet formula basically begin with an equal to sign. Okay, and we have numbers of operator: add, subtract, multiply, and divides. Okay, click on the cell B, application, add cell B2 into the formulas. Okay, we can change the formula by going into the formula bar also manually. This is called the manually. Okay, if we don't want, we can also do it by the built-in formula which we have. Okay, on the ribbon there is the tab of formula. Okay, when we click it, numbers formula will come in front of us. We can easily select it, the label where we want to display our formula will be applied there. Okay, in this way we can easily apply the formula. Operators. What are the operators? Spreadsheets include mathematical symbols called operators. They tell the application how to calculate the formulas. Okay, in this way we can complete, we are add the formulas. Okay, when we complete the formula, we press the enter key and our formula will be apply on the current active cell. Okay, now your activity number 3 is follow the instruction to make a formula in your spreadsheet. Find out how many students want to do one of the most popular jobs. Remember, now what you have to do, you have to make the table like in this way and enter the data. Then in total select it and then press the formula and apply the percentage formula there. Okay, is it clear? Now homework is write down the side words on your need notebook. Activity number 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to, sorry, activity number 1, 2 and 3 you have to done. Okay, and send your work to your respective. Thank you so much. Stay at your home, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.